I get asked all the time how I make the designs for my SVGs, so let's make one. A 4th of July themed one. And you already know we're going to canva.com. So yeah, go to canva.com, click create a design, type t-shirt, and select this first one. Now to kind of prime the creative pump, I usually go to the elements tab. That's here. And I just type whatever the topic is I'm gonna be using. Then I go to this little filter right here, and I only want static images, apply. And I also only want graphics. So these are all things that can kind of help me think of a good design. Side note, if you want to sell your design, make sure you're only using free elements. And also make sure you're creating something new. Don't just like copy someone's element and try to sell it. So yeah, I'm gonna pick a few that I like. Okay, so these are all the elements I liked, so I just put them on different pages. Now I'm gonna kind of add some text and flesh out the designs a little better. Okay, I settled on doing Oh My Stars. Now hit share, download, SVG, transparent back, and hit download.